He told me like, don't love the job what you're doing, and like, you love it. And that is what I'm doing. Whatever I am doing, I'm enjoying it. I'm not doing it for the sake of doing it, but I'm doing it because I love it. Is like, get your basics in place first, because देखो पैसा आज है, कल ज्यादा है, परसों और ज्यादा आएगा.
Hello and welcome to this new episode of Ask Events Expert, where we bring top leaders from event industry for your knowledge and growth. Our guest today plays a very important role in any event. Small or big, any event is incomplete without hospitality and logistics. Hospitality and logistics are two of this department which craft an image of that particular event agency in the mind of any client. Ketan Patil, founder of HNL Desk, and our today's guest, is one of the best when it comes to hospitality and logistics. He has been into event industry for more than 11 years and has worked on some of top class event across the globe. I personally have started my career, or you can say freelancing career, with him and have gathered immense knowledge from him. He is a gem when it comes to dealing with guests or team. And today we will learn from the man himself, step by step, systematic approach to hospitality and logistics. Very warm welcome, Ketan Bhai. I'm super excited for this interview.
Thank you, Yash. Thank you for giving an opportunity on this platform. And I just saw your YouTube channel, and it's doing amazing. Congratulations for that, first of all.
Thank you so much.
And I mean, the thing is, of course, thank you for such a brief intro. And I would like to I would like to add a couple of more points. I mean, hospitality and logistics, yes, but we also do RSVP, because
Yeah,
that is also your 80% of the game where it comes from.
yeah.
Okay, talking a little bit more, adding, I mean, before like starting events 11 years back, I was into cruise liners. I used to work for Disney. I used to work for Caribbean, Royal Caribbean. And then I came back to Bombay, and it just bound to happen that one of my friend was doing a wedding, and I was just helping him, and it just clicked an interest in me. And then I started with freelancing myself, as I believe like you did. We did. Ananya Birla, I think that
Yeah,
was in
yeah,
Tajlands,
yeah,
and
yeah. उससे
exactly that
पहले
was a launch
WPC.
party.
Yeah, yeah, yeah,
WNS, I'm sure about that.
yeah,
WBC,
yeah,
नहीं, WNS था ये. That was, I think
yeah.
so, in Bombay, or maybe in Kerala. We must have done it.
बॉम्बे बॉम्बे या तो
Bombay,
वैसे
exactly.
वैसे हम लोग मिले सो सो ऐसे सो इफ वी टॉक अबाउट द ब्रीफ जर्नी लाइक सो हाउ डिड यू फर्स्ट लाइक हर्ड अबाउट लाइक अभी तो बहुत सारे लोगों को पता है कि इवेंट इंडस्ट्री क्या है हॉस्पिटैलिटी क्या है लॉजिस्टिक्स क्या है बट बैक
Correct.
देन व्हाट वाज द कोर लाइक आपको कौन सी ऐसी चीज थी जो इवेंट इंडस्ट्री में आपको लेके आए लाइक यू वर इन डिफरेंट करियर उससे आपने स्विच किया इन इवेंट इंडस्ट्री
Exactly. I mean, as I told you, 2009, I just came for my vacation after 11 months to India. और मेरे हाथ में 3 महीने का वेकेशन था, तो मैंने बोला चलो यार 15 दिन हो गए, लेकिन सब फ्रेंड्स वगैरह लेकिन थे, उनसे मिल लिया, फैमिली से मिल लिया. And I was free at that time. So one of my friend who was into wedding planning, he just started and he said, can you come and help me? Because तभी तो आपके पास skilled manpower नहीं होता था.
या
So I said, okay, chalo yaar, let me see. But I said, okay, fine. I don't know anything about wedding. So he said, what you do on ship, you have to exactly replicate it over here. तो मैंने बोला चलो यार देख लेते हैं. तो he put me in hospitality, and हम गए, client से मिले. We just got the brief. मैंने बोला ये तो सब मैं ship पे करता था, तो क्यों नहीं, लेकिन I can try this out. Then I did and executed that wedding for 2 days in Goa only itself. And then I said, यार अगर ये जो शिप पे मैं कर रहा हूँ, and I am getting it over here for that first event, I didn't charge him anything because I was clueless कि क्या charge होना चाहिए, क्या कैसे workout होता है payments का and all that. So I did it for free of cost for him, and then I said, okay, fine. When I'm back in Bombay, any which ways I was done for 5 years with ship, and I wanted to get back to India because I was missing India. So I came back to India, and I started with events, and I got registered in NIM. I did my basic training in NIM, and then I started approaching the planners. I started approaching the freelancers, getting the gist. What is the industry 2010 when I started, which was like a pretty new industry at that time, and that's how all it started, Yash.
Oh, awesome. So now you are specifically more into like the hospitality, logistics, RSVP, that kind of. So अगर हम लोगों को इसको simple way में layman को समझाना हो कि like what is hospitality, logistics all about in events, तो उसको आप क्या कैसे explain करोगे?
Okay, now अगर कोई भी wedding लो, सबसे important आपका होता है guest.
Yeah,
Guest management is something which is takes your 80% of the wedding. आप बाकी का 20% छोड़ दो फूड पे, और बाकी के आई मीन ऑफ कोर्स वो 100% हो गया, बट वेडिंग इज नेवर 100%, इट्स मोर देन दैट. because you also know if I have to bifurcate guest management हुआ आपका, बाद में आपका लेकिन फूड मैनेजमेंट हुआ, देन योर बार कम्स इनटू एक्शन, डेकोर है, लाइट है, साउंड है, फलाना है, डिमका है, ऐसे बहुत सारी चीज़ें आती है. But in one wedding, if like a guest is calling 200 people for his wedding in Goa, the guest will remember how he got treated and how he got like feed.
Yeah.
ये दो चीज़ें वो इम्पोर्टेंटली याद रखता है कि भाई मैं एयरपोर्ट पे था, मेरे को इमीडिएटली गाड़ी मिली, मैं होटल पे आया, द मोमेंट आई गॉट इनटू द होटल मेरा अच्छा सा वेलकम हुआ, एंड आई गॉट द रूम कीज एंड आई वेंट टू माय रूम, माय लगेज आल्सो वेंट टू माय रूम विद मी. और खाने में नमक कम था, लेकिन वो ये याद रखिएगा, डेकोर में भले आपके पास लेकिन 2 एलिमेंट्स कम हो, लेकिन एज पर योर प्लान मेन्यू फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट दिस आर द टू इम्पोर्टेंट लेकिन पार्ट्स वेयर लाइक द फूड एंड द गेस्ट मैनेजमेंट इज समथिंग विच कीप्स एन इम्पोर्टेंट रोल इन एनी wedding you do it across the globe.
Awesome. ठीक है. So hospitality and logistics are the core. Like, but अगर like, why did you decide to go specifically for the hospitality and logistics? Like, you are into this event industry for so long, right? आप पूरा wedding भी plan कर सकते हो, but H&L desk, like hospitality and logistics desk. So why this specific niche?
Okay, so as I mean, I started my career in 2010. 2017, I opened up the H&L desk. Why again the H&L desk? Because I wanted a name, so said okay, chalo hospitality and logistics. So उसको H&L बना दिया और desk add कर दिया, because desk is like right now where we sit at the desk and we work from there. So that's the reason why it's like H&L, which is hospitality and logistics desk. And even though right now if you see I'm sitting on the desk and I'm chatting with you, so like the desk is like 80% 90% of my bread and butter. So here I am on desk sitting and talking to you. So that is how the H&L desk started in 2017, and it's been almost like 3.5 4 years we are into it. Thanks to pandemics, we were grounded actually for 11 months, but now we are back on foot doing like some action.
Yes. Great. So, जैसे कि like if you have to explain this process, like start to end, like the from the pickup to the check-ins to everything. So ये पूरा जो process है, like from like the moment you see the guest. So how do you take up this process, and how this small detailings are very important, like ये hospitality and logistics में, which everybody cannot see. Like there is specifically, because you are specific into this industry, so आपको काफी कुछ ऐसे detailings पता होगा. So what are those process and those detailings about the hospitality and logistics and RSVP?
Okay, so let's go a little bit. Let's take a live example, as you were the part of Ananya Birla launch, which happened in Mumbai itself at Tajland. So, I mean, we had around about 500 guests coming from all over the world. I mean, it was a launch party. So let's go back to a little bit where we started with RSVP 2 months before the event, where it was like a premium event for us. So we started with RSVP by sending the invites to the all the guests whom we thought we should invite. The moment they said yes, we came into action where we said, okay, fine, like how we will book your tickets, what is your preferred flight tickets and stuff like that. Then any which ways our venue was fixed, Tajlands, and we had round about say 250 rooms in Tajlands and book for that, and like the whole venue book. So coming back to the RSVP part, where it started 2 months back, because RSVP is not a one day process कि हाँ बोला like ना चलो like ना 500 लोग एक साथ आपको रिप्लाई नहीं करते हैं. Like एक गेस्ट के पीछे कभी कभी आपको हफ्ते निकल जाते हैं just on mails and WhatsApp and on calls to get his yes or no. कभी कभी लेकिन ये भी हो जाता है वो yes बोल के no बोल देता है या last minute पे no बोल देता है. तो you have to be having like plan A and B in normal general life, but in events we should have plan A to Z. That is what we are experts in, and that is how an event planner, event freelancer or a event manager is. Like he doesn't have A, plan B, and plan C, but he also has plan Z. Just in case like A to Y doesn't work, he also have a plan Z, and it's infinite. Like so coming back to the point where we started with RSVP 2 months back. The day when it was like the arrival day, we have a team in place at Bombay Airport. As you know, Bombay Airport has like 2 airports, domestic and international. There were lots of people coming from India, within India as well. So we had to bifurcate the team, like and it was a 24/7 operation, as you know, because the team like day में काम कर रही है, आधी team like domestic airport पे, international airport पे day and night out काम कर रही है 2 दिन के लिए. The moment we know that this guest is coming on this flight, we know that okay, like the moment we have something called a welcome placard. वो एक बार गेस्ट को बता दिया व्हाट्सएप पे कि सर लेकिन as soon as you exit the airport, look at it. he will definitely get in touch with the team at the airport. When he sits in the car, hotel को information जाती है this guest is on a way, so that like the team at the hotel make sure that his rooms are ready, his keys are ready, and as he's an international guest, उसका like जो visa forms होता है वो stamps वगैरह लेने पड़ते हैं scan के लिए. Welcome him, like get his luggage tagged. We know the room number. We already sent the luggage to his room. That's a good gesture from our end कि like अरे मैं पहुंचने से पहले मेरा luggage भी already like room में पहुंच चुका है. You know the drill how it works like but the people those who don't know, this is how it works. The moment he's in his room, ऑलरेडी वहाँ पे वेलकम हैम्पर हम रख देते हैं अगर गेस्ट ने बोला है कि लेकिन रखना है करके. तो एंड अगेन लेकिन एवरी कोई भी फंक्शन हो उसके 1 घंटे या 2 घंटे पहले वी स्टार्ट कॉलिंग द गेस्ट, रिमाइंडिंग हिम कि सर देयर इज अ फंक्शन हैपनिंग लाइक ना एट सो एंड सो टाइम एट सो एंड सो प्लेस. Kindly please like make sure that you are there and do not get late for the event because people are like coming traveling. They must like they go to sleep and stuff like that and they miss the function. और कभी कभी हो जाता है क्लाइंट को बोल देते हैं कि अरे मुझे तो रिमाइंडर कॉल आया ही नहीं. तो वी हैव टू मेक श्योर दैट वी आर like calling them up and checking with them कि are they awake and are they like ready for the function.
Okay. So I think this is one department which never slips in any in event, before the event, and I think also a little bit after the event, because this department gets activated like way before the event starts, the RSVP part. And अगर गेस्ट, आई थिंक सारे गेस्ट हो सकता है कि कोई एक वेंडर से टच में नहीं आए, बट एक हॉस्पिटैलिटी ऐसा डिपार्टमेंट है और लॉजिस्टिक्स वो प्लानर से और वो जो टीम है ना उनसे टच में आएंगे ही आएंगे. सो दैट्स व्हाई इट्स सो इम्पोर्टेंट. सो इफ वी हैव टू टेक सम फ्यू पॉइंट्स, लाइक व्हाट आर द मोस्ट इम्पॉर्टेंट पॉइंट एज अ हॉस्पिटैलिटी पर्सन या एज एन इवेंट पर्सन जो while organizing this premium events or any event जो उनको ध्यान रखना चाहिए in hospitality and logistics department? It can be in respect of client or anything or the department wise.
Okay, as just to add one more point to your statement which you said we are the first one in and we are the last one out.
Yeah,
I mean 2 महीने पहले चालू हो जाता है. We are the first people to come in action, make sure everything is in perfect place, planned, executed, and when the last guest leaves, we are the last one to get out. भले आपका इवेंट लेकिन एक दिन पहले खत्म हो जाता है, बट नेक्स्ट डे आपका ब्रेकफास्ट करके गेस्ट निकलता है. वो एयरपोर्ट पे जब पहुंचता है और हमको ड्राइवर से फोन आता है कि लेकिन सर इनको हमने ड्रॉप कर दिया है. Then when the last guest leaves, no matter if it's 8 o'clock in the night or 12 o'clock in the night, we will be the last one to get out of that venue, signing off the venue. Okay, coming back to your question when and how to plan ये छोटी छोटी चीजें कैसे करनी है. First of all whenever you go and get a briefing from a planner or a client, always have something called pen and paper. Is something which all the planners, all the hospitality and logistics should have handy, because just in case अगर कोई guest आता है suddenly कुछ information देता है, you should not look for pen and paper. Just put a hand in your pocket and immediately write the details down and add it to your checklist. Communication is the key of our survival, because the moment we get any communication, अगर मैं होटल में बैठा हूँ, मेरे को एयरपोर्ट टीम को कुछ बताना है, so we make a WhatsApp group where everybody is interconnected. अगर कुछ भी डिटेल आता है कोई गेस्ट कैंसिल हुआ है या फ्लाइट डिले हुई है या कुछ चेंज ऑफ प्लान है, immediately we put it on the group so everybody knows that boss the hospitality will pick up at the hotel and the airport team at the airport will also pick it up. So that's the reason why communication is a keyword in our industry. Without communication, we are nowhere. And thanks to WhatsApp, which has which we can make a group of infinite people. Yeah, exactly. The life gets easier on WhatsApp.
Yes. If we come to challenges, like what are some of the biggest challenges that you have faced? Like it can be in terms of growing in this industry or getting a premium client, yeah, anything. So what are some of the challenges which you think you have faced and you have overcome, and so people can learn from that journey?
See, I mean, to be frank enough, as a freelancer or as a company, the challenge is always a keyword for you. Competition is always a keyword. अगर समझो आपने एक amount rate charge किया है और कोई दूसरा amount charge कर रहा है आपसे कम, तो definitely people will go for it. Yeah. I mean, that is how the competition is. There is no way, because there are lots of people who come into market who has no knowledge and they give you half the price. But when the execution day comes, you will see a face which is having an experience will come on action. You also know that sir ho nahi pa raha hai, can you come and help? ये बहुत सारे कॉल आ जाते हैं, जितना हम कॉल पे हेल्प कर सकते हैं, इफ लाइक से फॉर एग्जांपल एक डेट पे 2 वेडिंग्स है मेरे पास, एंड आई गेट अ कॉल कि लाइक सर ये तो काम मैंने उठा लिया बट ये करना कैसे है इसका, लाइक आई मीन इन आवर इंडस्ट्री लाइक बेसिक थिंग होती है एक्सेल की. आई मीन यू आस्क अ गाय लाइक ना कि चलो आप यू आर अ फ्रीलांसर, आर यू कैरिंग अ लैपटॉप? नो. डू यू नो एक्सेल? नो. These are the two main factors of our industry. Like, now, if you're in events, know your Excel and out. Okay, because the way I work on Excel, like, I've also learned from, like, in my 11 years, I learned Excel from there only. जब मैं इवेंट्स में आया, जब शिप का फॉर्मेट अलग था, मेरा इवेंट्स का फॉर्मेट अलग है. But you have seen my Excel formats, yes? Like, personally,
Yeah.
you also
मैंने
know,
देखा
like,
है. So
how
I
it
was
works.
like about to add कि मैं जैसे those were the first of my events and वो time पे मैंने देखा था the kind of professional work the team does, like everybody is on Excel, everything is on group, like every single detail is on WhatsApp. And so वो लगता बहुत सिंपल है, but when it comes to the overall execution, like we have data on the phone or like एक टिप पे कि नहीं एक्सेल पे है, वो हो चुका है ऑलरेडी, लाइक सो नो एवरीथिंग. एंड वहां से फिर मेरी वो हैबिट ही पड़ गई कि भाई कुछ भी करना है, इट इज लाइक एस्टिमेटेड कॉस्ट है, फाइनल कॉस्ट है, वेंडर शीट है, लाइक दिस मेनी वी मेक अ फाइल ऑफ एक्सेल. सो वो हैबिट धीरे धीरे पड़ी, बट वो फर्स्ट इवेंट से एक्सेल का क्लिक हुआ. एंड या दैट हैज क्रिएटेड इमेंस काइंड ऑफ, लाइक इफ आई आल्सो से कि एक्सेल, पावर पॉइंट, छोटी छोटी चीजें जो है ना, इट मेक्स अ ह्यूज डिफरेंस व्हेन यू आर एग्जीक्यूटिंग एन इवेंट. like I have all the sheets, like एक का अलग अलग sheet, vendor data, logistics data, hospitality data, rooms logistics and all these things. So yeah, thanks to you for that.
Thank you. I mean, and that is how it is. Like, I mean, to
Yeah.
be frank enough, in our industry, you also know, like, I mean, chalo, like, if you're a fresh to industry, we understand because
Yeah.
you will take time to learn things. But once you are like almost 2 years, like, not in this industry, Excel, PowerPoint, these are the basic things. I mean, हो ना हो, लेकिन वहाँ पे लैपटॉप की जरूरत हो ना हो, लेकिन you will always see I am carrying my laptop. No
Yeah.
matter what, like, कहाँ किसकी जरूरत पड़ जाए आपको पता नहीं है, यश. And that is how, like, the planners and all the people, those who are thinking to come into our industry, is like these are the basic things. If you have a basic laptop also which has Excel, PowerPoint or MS Office, that's it. Like, education is infinite, to be frank enough. Like, keep learning, keep updating yourself.
Yeah.
अभी 11 महीने घर पे बैठ के, like, there are lots of things I learned on Excel, and trust me, like, right now when I'm executing things, इट्स अ डिफरेंट बॉल ऑफ अ गेम. लाइक ना, जहाँ पे मेरे को मैन्युअली 4 डेटा करने पड़ते थे, अब मैं एक क्लिक में एक फॉर्मूला डाल के वो डेटा में, लाइक ना, रिकलेक्ट कर सकता हूँ.
Yes,
I
yes.
mean, I don't have to, like, think about lots of things because I have practiced that for 11 months, which I, when we were under lockdown.
Yeah. Great.
Exactly.
Yeah. With that said, so if like somebody is new in this industry or somebody wants to get in this industry or somebody because हम लोगों के जो पहले जो भी गेस्ट आए ना, वो लोग भी they specifically like point कि hospitality and logistics are the core, they are very important. And many people on this channel also comment पे बताते बोलते हैं कि सर हॉस्पिटैलिटी के बारे में बताइए, लॉजिस्टिक्स के बारे में बताइए, हम लोगों को इसमें करियर बनाना है, कैसे बनाए, या ये डिपार्टमेंट हम लोगों को बहुत इंप्रेस करता है. सो व्हाट वुड यू हाउ वुड यू गाइड देम कि ये इसके अंदर कैसे आना चाहिए, या हाउ कैन दे स्टार्ट देयर करियर इन दिस?
See, I mean, to be frank enough, like, I already had a background of hospitality from the ship, so it was a piece of cake for me. Like, I mean, still it's a piece of cake for me. But अभी जैसे कोई बंदा नया है जिसको हॉस्पिटलिटी लॉजिस्टिक्स के बारे में पता नहीं है, I mean, get your basics right, guys. Like, the key feature to our industry is confidence. If you don't have confidence, yes, I mean, you will never stand in the game.
Yeah.
I mean, अगर आपको पता नहीं है तो कॉन्फिडेंटली गेस्ट को बोलो कि सर वेट, लेट मी चेक एंड कम बैक टू यू. थिंग इज, लाइक, ऑलवेज बी प्रेजेंटेबल इन आवर इंडस्ट्री के लिए. यू आर द फ्रंट फेस, बिकॉज लाइक जैसे वो एयरपोर्ट से बाहर उतरता है, वो जाके डेकोरेटर से नहीं मिलता या वो शेफ से नहीं मिलता, वो पहले मिलेगा आपको. As an hospitality guy, you should be presentable, clean shaved. I mean, if you're keeping beard, definitely keep it trimmed. I mean, you should not, like, I mean, keep yourself, like, nicely hydrated, like, because looking fresh, no matter, like, that is the last guest coming at, like, 12 o'clock in the night, but
Yeah.
he should feel I'm the first guest coming for me. Okay, if I don't have a smile on my face, and trust me, if I welcome a guest with a smile, आधा लेकिन वो चीजें वो उधर ही भूल जाता है कि हाँ चलो, लेकिन किसी ने मुझे स्माइल देके वेलकम किया, बिकॉज ही इज कमिंग फ्रॉम द फ्लाइट, ही इज डैम टायर्ड, मे बी 12 घंटे की फ्लाइट लेके आया, एंड यू से, लेकिन हाँ सर वेलकम टू बॉम्बे, विल बी लाइक अरे यार ये क्या है, इसको इंटरेस्ट ही नहीं है. रादर लाइक शो हिम लाइक, ओ वेलकम टू मुंबई, माय नेम इज केतन, कम लेट मी जस्ट गाइड यू टू द कार. अगर होता है, लेकिन आई मीन डेफिनेटली, लेकिन ही इज टायर्ड, यू नो दैट, यू सी ऑन हिज फेस, offer him a coffee. It's a small gesture, but
Yeah.
keeps a big value. वो याद रखेगा, अरे I met Ketan at the airport and he offered me a coffee. बोलते बोलते गेस्ट ने क्लाइंट को भी बता दिया, अरे मैं एयरपोर्ट पे आया था रात को 12 बजे, he offered me something to drink. Such a nice gesture, like ना that was.
Yeah,
And अगर नाम लिया तो nothing like it. क्लाइंट वो याद रखता है कि हाँ तेरे टीम से कोई बंदे ने लेकिन टॉप कॉफी ऑफर किया था, भले वो अप्रूव हो ना हो, लेकिन दैट इज अ पार्ट ऑफ द गेम, बट दैट इज अ जेस्चर, लेकिन वो 200 रुपया फर्क नहीं पड़ता है, बट वो जेस्चर फर्क पड़ता है. एग्जैक्टली.
एंड मैं मेरे को ये भी याद है, लाइक व्हेन आई वर्क विद यू, ये सारी जो बात अभी आप मेरे को बोल रहे हो ना, इट इज नॉट जस्ट यू आर सेइंग फॉर द सेक ऑफ पर्पस, बट आपने सब बात मेरे को तभी बोली थी, बिकॉज आई वाज स्टैंडिंग एट द एयरपोर्ट, देयर वाज फ्री बक्स दैट यू हैव गिव कि अगर कोई आएगा एंड इफ यू नीड स्टारबक्स का यू कैन डू दिस, जस्ट कलेक्ट द बिल्स और हैव दिस स्माइल ऑन दिस फेस, wearing a blazer and carrying a laptop, all these things, like what are you saying right now is like exact advice that you gave me in the start of my career. So all the viewers जो देख रहे हैं, it is not any filtered knowledge कि मैं आप लोगों को बता रहा हूँ जो मुझे थोड़ा सा याद है. It is a man himself whom I have started the career, and वो आपको बता रहा है कि क्या क्या आप लोगों को initial days में hospitality में ध्यान रखना चाहिए, and it is very important. And trust me, that event was one of the best event which I still remember every moment के airport पे खड़े रहना. It was amazing feeling. Yes. So
Yeah,
thank.
I mean, our business is like that only, like ना where वो बोलते हैं ना, like ना if the things are getting dirty, like ना don't be shy to fold your sleeves up and like ना put your hands in the dirt. जब तक हाथ गंदे नहीं होगे आप सीखोगे नहीं.
नहीं सीखोगे.
I mean, no matter like ना, I mean, I remember one event in Goa I was doing. I will not tell the name of the hotel. So they were falling short of manpower. Like ना luggage आके वहाँ पे lobby में पड़ा था and the guys were getting late for the flight. And I saw that situation and they were getting panicked. अगर वो 10 मिनट लेट निकलते थे, they would have missed their flight. मैंने बोला क्या हुआ? Like I just came out and I said like what happened? Yeah, like there is no bellboy to put our luggage. I just took my jacket off, like you see my fold, like sleeves are always folded. मैंने उठाया लगेज, गाड़ी में डाल दिया, ड्राइवर को बोला भगा, इनको एयरपोर्ट पे लाइक टाइम पे पहुंचा देना, फ्लाइट मिस नहीं होनी चाहिए, और वो बंदे ने सेफली एयरपोर्ट पे पहुंचा दिया. सो यू शुड नॉट फील शाय कि लेकिन ये मेरा काम नहीं है. I mean, I remember like when I started my career into hospitality, I was just passing to meet a client and I was crossing a venue and I saw an old auntie who was like struggling to get up and she wanted some food. So I said, okay, like auntie, wait, let me help you. क्या चाहिए आपको? तो शी इज लाइक बेटा मैं वेटर से करवा लेती हूँ. एंड आई कुडंट सी एनीबडी अराउंड. आई सेड ओके, आपको क्या चाहिए मुझे बता दो, मैं ला के दे देता हूँ. मैंने अपना लैपटॉप उनके टेबल पे छोड़ा, मैंने बोला मैं अपना लैपटॉप छोड़ के जा रहा हूँ, आंटी आपको चाहिए वो बता देना. आई वेंट टू द फूड काउंटर, आई गॉट द डिश फॉर हर एंड आई गिव इट टू हर. And at that time, I mean, the thing is like she was like client's mother, and she was like so happy with the gesture. Like na, she told the client and he was like, oh आपने ये किया. लेकिन ना मेरा वो मेड, लेकिन ना उसका जो हेल्पर था वो शायद से खाना खा रहा था. मैंने बोला अंकल कोई बात नहीं है, आई मीन शी इज लाइक प्रीटी सीनियर सिटीजन, सो आई थॉट ऑफ हेल्पिंग. लाइक दैट इज अ जेस्चर. ये मेरा जॉब नहीं है, देख के भी अनदेखा करके मतलब नहीं है गाइस. लेकिन ना इट हैज टू बी, लेकिन ना any wedding you do, should you feel that it is your own brother's wedding or your own friend's wedding. When you give that 100%, in fact 200% in that wedding, and when that gesture comes up to you, it adds up later on. क्योंकि वो तो शादी हो जाती है, बट उसके दोस्त की कोई शादी रहेगा, वो लाइक बोलेगा कि अरे ये प्लानर से करवा ले, या ये लेकिन ना कंपनी से करवा ले, या H&L से करवा ले. I mean they give you like superb kind of a gesture. I mean touch is very important.
ये
How
industry
it
is
is
all about word of mouth, and वो जो impact से जो दोस्त बोलता है ना भाई इसी से करवा, तो उससे जो referrals और leads आती है, it is the best. Yes.
Exactly. I mean to be frank enough. Sorry, carry on.
No problem, no problem. Go on. Or you were saying something?
No. I mean I just thought of some point, but anyway, we'll keep it for later.
Acha.
Bolo.
Okay. Great. So talking about the career part, as a fresher, if someone is coming, also वो लोग का एक माइंड में होता है कि अगर सिर्फ हॉस्पिटैलिटी इंडस्ट्री में जाना है तो हम लोग करियर किधर से स्टार्ट कर सकते हैं, कितना हम लोग पर डे अर्निंग कर सकते हैं एज अ फ्रीलांसर, और हम लोग मैक्सिमम कितने तक जा सकते हैं. लाइक आई नो द इवेंट इंडस्ट्री इज लाइक द ओशन एंड स्काई इज द लिमिट, बट टू गिव द रफ आइडिया टू द व्यूअर्स, लाइक इफ लाइक दे आर वेरी न्यू, सो अगर आप उनको ऐसा प्रॉपर अगर स्टेप बाय स्टेप अगर थोड़ा गाइड करेंगे तो किस तरह से उनका पूरा करियर दिख सकता है उनको?
I would suggest you that you do to understand the basics of events. In that they also have hospitality logistics. I give lectures in NIEM myself because I know Rajiv very well. I know Hoshi sir very well because I started my career from NIM. I mean to say. So the thing is like ना get your basics in place first because देखो पैसा आज है कल ज़्यादा है परसों और ज़्यादा आएगा. I mean, if you go to talk figures, when I started to be frank, in my first wedding, I didn't like first 3 weddings, I didn't charge a single penny. मैंने उसको बोला देख मेरे को पता नहीं है वेडिंग कैसे होता है तेरे को जो सही लगता है वो दे दे. तो व्हाट ही सेड ओके फाइन नो प्रॉब्लम आई मीन विल थिंक अबाउट द पेमेंट पार्ट ऑफ इट. मैंने उसको बोला लेकिन मेरे को 3 चीज़ें चाहिए मेरे को मेरी कॉफीज मेरे को मेरा खाना दैट्स इट तू ये ख्याल रख बाकी का लेकिन मैं संभाल लूंगा करके. एंड लिटरली when that happened and he didn't even had to look into hospitality or logistics, everything was smooth. He was focusing only on client and on the decor elements and the food elements for the guest. And after the wedding he came to me and he said buddy listen like this is the amount I'm like gonna pay you per day. I said like you sure? I was like surprised when he told me the figure. I mean I was not expecting that. मैंने बोला ठीक है आई मीन लाइक दोस्ती है तो मैंने बोला चल एक काम कर वो तेरे रिजर्व किटी में डाल दे जब मैं वापस इंडिया आऊंगा तो देखा जाएगा. I came back to India. I started doing NIEM. In between, like ना उसका भी weddings आता था. He used to call me directly, and I used to do weddings for him for free of cost. I didn't even take a single penny. like ना हम restaurant गए खाने के लिए तो I used to tell हाँ मेरा bill भर दे, and he used to happily pay because मेरा already kitty उसके पास था. I mean to be frank enough, when I started my career in 2010 से लेके 12 तक, because I was in a learning curve, I didn't knew how the industry worked in India. I didn't take a single penny from any planner. I used to work for free of cost. I used to only tell them मेरा travel, मेरा stay, मेरा खाना और मेरा coffee. ये 4 चीजें तुम लोग care कर लो. Rest everything forget about it. Then I used to work like 18 hours, 19 hours like a day, like 3-4 hours used to like sleep and like just go to my room and take a shower and like sleep on the bed. I mean you remember like I mean we get fancy rooms in each and every hotel. Whenever you execute an event, you stay in like the hotel you name it, like let it be Taj, let it be ITC, let it be your W or let it be your St. Regis. We just go to the hotel and हमको सिर्फ 2 ही चीजें दिखती है होटल में. एक तो वो कॉफी मशीन, वो बिस्तर और बाथरूम टू फॉर शावर्स. दैट्स ऑल. रेस्ट एवरीथिंग उसमें व्यू कौन सा है उसमें लेकिन बाथटब है नहीं है वो हमको फर्क नहीं पड़ता है बिकॉज वी जस्ट गो टू चेंज eat sleep that's it and come back and get into action. I mean, you also remember like during Ananya Birla, we didn't sleep for like infinite days. We were like constantly working. जा घर पे fresh होके आजा सो जा और like काम चालू कर ले. That is how we used to work like dedicatedly 24/7.
Yes.
So I mean, guys, like as a like if you want to start a like career into event management, do not think about money for minimum 3 years. I mean, of course, I understand there is traveling and everything. Just set a deal with the planner और द पॉइंट ऑफ कॉन्टैक्ट whom you are getting in touch with कि लाइक चलो लाइक ना भाई मेरे को सीखना है. अगर आपके पास वो क्या बोलते हैं if you have that fire to learn then money is secondary to be frank enough. Definitely if your basic needs are met, charge that much and rest everything leave because once people know that okay like I know this guy who does excellent work, now they will not even like what do you say, they will not even like not think to give you not like more money. The money will come but it will take some time. You can't like just come into industry and expect like हाँ मेरे को like इतना ही अमाउंट चाहिए, मैं इतने घंटे काम करूंगा, मेरे को खाना इतने बजे चाहिए, मेरे को यही खाना चाहिए. I mean I remember I did have event in Hyderabad for 15 days. 15 दिन में बिरयानी खा के जिया हूँ. That is how the things are like बिरयानी मिली तो like भाई that is the easily available option. like बॉम्बे में वड़ा पाव मिलता है, वहाँ पे बिरयानी मिलती है. 15 दिन सुबह शाम में बिरयानी खा के लेकिन लाइफ निकाला है मैंने. So that is how you have to be prepared. कि पानी नहीं मिला लेकिन okay fine लेकिन look for your options, लेकिन always look for your options and give options. And teamwork is very important in our industry. That is how like you will grow in the industry and money will follow. No doubts about it.
एंड इट्स लाइक एनी अदर थिंग ना. अगर आप सीए कर रहे हो 3-4 साल उसमें भी आपको लग जाता है, उसमें भी आप स्टाइपेंड के एकदम लाइक मिनिमम 3-4 thousand में आप पूरा महीना काम कर रहे हो. यू आर गिविंग सम टाइम 3-4 years उसमें भी आप दे ही रहे हो. सो यू आर कमिंग इनटू इवेंट्स और यू आर एक्सपेक्टिंग डायरेक्टली आपको मिल जाए. So it's not the thing because even I start my career like 13-14 events मैंने भी किए थे ऐसे ही free, but then met you like उसके बाद job लगा, then धीरे धीरे grow हुआ. But yes, absolutely time आता है, हर किसी का time आता है and थोड़ा patience रखना
exactly अपना time आएगा.
अपना time आएगा. And
exactly.
that any final tip that you want to give the audience or anything? Was it was a great session and we already have like sweet and crisp interview और बहुत सारा learning हम लोग ने ले लिया इस interview से. Any final lines that you would like to say to the audience?
Well, I think so. We pretty much have covered all the
Yes,
points. Yes, like, and I mean, the thing is, like, if you see this whole video, you will get the pointers in between. We
yes,
didn't leave anything for conclusion. We
yeah,
concluded the whole video
whole
actually. If
video.
you go to
Yes,
see, I mean, let it be like, learning, say, like,
yeah,
we talked about the monetary value, what you should expect, and all that thing.
yeah,
It was a conclusion, guys. Like, to be frank enough, I came to this industry 10 years back thinking चलो यार लेकिन मैंने 5 साल शिप पे निकाले हैं आई वर्क डेडिकेटेडली डेडिकेशन अगर आप में नहीं है टू बी फ्रैंक एनफ यू विल नॉट स्टैंड अ गेम इन दिस बिजनेस डेडिकेशन एंड पैशन दिस आर द टू थिंग्स व्हिच विल डिराइव यू गाइस ओके अगर आपके पास डेडिकेशन है और पैशन है ट्रस्ट मी दिस इंडस्ट्री विल बी लाइक अ बॉल ऑफ गेम I mean, somebody told me like, don't love the job what you're doing, and like, you love it, and that is what I'm doing. Whatever I am doing, I'm enjoying it. I'm not doing it for the sake of doing it, but I'm doing it because I love it.
mm,
That is how you should respond. अगर समझो लेकिन because it happens with me like previous pandemics लेकिन I remember लेकिन मेरा एक सीजन था 6 महीने का where I did back to back 4 days wedding 5 days wedding लेकिन just go pack your bags, land, unpack your bags, pack a new bag, fly to a new destination, and without sleep, without I mean like imagine 3 घंटे का फ्लाइट है मेरा
yeah,
यहाँ से कोलकाता का वही 3 घंटे में सोया हूँ द मोमेंट आई लैंड गेट इनटू टैक्सी रीच द होटल आई स्टार्ट वर्किंग
yeah,
विद अ न्यू फ्रेश ब्रीफ ऑल टुगेदर बिकॉज आपने जो वेडिंग लास्ट एग्जीक्यूट किया था उनका रिक्वायरमेंट्स कुछ अलग था ये जो नया वेडिंग अभी आप करने जा रहे हो उसका रिक्वायरमेंट कुछ अलग है every wedding is customized every wedding has different what do you say requirements not only weddings let it be corporate also like every event I'll say on basic has its own requirement so you should be flexible and adaptable to it if you don't have that adaptability guys get it and you will like bloom into this industry like I am here Yash is here like you see where we are now.
yes. Thank you so much, Ketan bhai. It was a great session. Like I enjoyed it, and audience is going to love it. And yes, the last thing, if somebody wants to connect with you, can you just? I'll just give everything in the description, your email ID or your LinkedIn profile, and people show some love to Ketan bhai. And if you show enough love in the comments, I'll promise I can ask him, request him to get back on this show to answer your questions. And thank you once again, Ketan bhai, for this lovely interview. It was great session.
Thank you so much, Yash, for giving this platform to me once again. And second thing, yeah, definitely, if you have any questions and you would like to connect, Yash, I'll give you my email address and my Insta handle. You can drop it on the Dropbox below. Like, you can. I'll just tell you right now. It's on Insta. You can find us by the HNL desk. Okay, and any which ways, Yash is gonna give you all the links.
You'll
So
see
if you
everything
have
on the
any
screen.
absolutely, like anything you have questions, like a slightest serious thing, if you have in your mind and you would like to share it with me or Yash, feel free to call, get back to us, and we will definitely try and answer you guys, and so that you don't have any questions before you even go onto the war zone.
Yes. Thank you so much, Ketan bhai. Lovely having you on the show. And yes,
Thank you so much, guys, and all the best. See you in near future. Hope, hopefully, you'll be a part of the HNL desk in one of your weddings or the corporate events what we do.
yeah,
And yes, see you soon. Please come to visit our new restaurant which we have opened
sure,
in Malad.
sure, sure.
Three barmen. So you can
Yes.
link that as well in
I'll give
your profile.
all your profile, company website, everything in the description. You guys
Awesome,
can find
awesome,
all the
awesome,
details.
awesome.
Yes, and
Perfect. Thank you so
bye.
much, guys. God bless. Take care.
Yeah.